Okay, so we are going to talk about search engines this time, and you probably haven't heard those two words together if you are new to the field, but those are usually just browsers, the program softwares you usually use on your phones or computers to search for websites like Facebook, YouTube, anything like that, or just research for your homework. And now we just considering a couple of them. For Google launched in 1998 and usually has about 4.3 billion users. And Brave, my personal favorite on my phone, launched in 2016 with 50 million users. And Firefox, a well-known search engine, launched in 2002 with 215 million users. And Nicosia, a pretty almost new type of browser that not a lot of people have heard of it. Launched in 2009 with 16 million users. And the basics of search engines, what are they? A piece of software that helps users navigate the internet by searching keywords online to get information from websites like Facebook, anything else, or just anything you want to get a hands on it, like images, some facts, and things like that. And their software main task is to scanning titles, contents, and keywords based on what the input from the user is on the search bar or the toolbar. Like for example, you're searching the word face, usually pop-ups with faces from humans or drawings or maybe the website from Facebook. While searching engines can be written in any different language or programming language, most of the information retrieved from the websites is usually based on HTML. Although, but just keep in mind that each browser can be written in a different language. It doesn't matter which one. But I mean, most of the websites are usually written on HTML. And when searching, the program searches on external hyperlinks to get more results that can be more accurate and just more information to give to the user. So they have a bunch of different options to select from. And how do they work? Search engines have a concept called web crawlers, also known as spiders. There are programs inside the search engine that are constantly searching for new web pages. Web crawlers can store information to tell other searchers what to ignore or follow when it comes to links. The data that crawlers got is stored in a place called the index, where the information is analyzed and organized for future use and a way to find it faster. Search engines use algorithms to rank web pages based on prioritizing what is the best based on a query. And functionality, advanced searches. Most of the browsers we have a really nice set of tools that can help you find things better and more accurate, like using codes around phrases or words that tells the software to only search the specific order of words on websites or phrases. Using the minus sign to tell the search engine to ignore specific words by putting next to it the word without spacing. The word or can be used between two words to tell the software to search one of those words. And the search box can also do math equations. When it comes to Google, you can search without using words by using image instead. That's something you can not really people know. Like I think it's called reversed image search. And when it comes to the interface, each search engine has a different interface for a unique user experience. Some interfaces can be edited by changing the backgrounds. The main page for search with the searching bar is mostly consistent through each different search engine, although some have extra tools for searching, like you can see on those images, advanced search, or the Google with the advanced searches. And this one has just some examples of different interfaces. Like you can see, they kind of look similar, but they have some different features that can make it some more attractive for people. It just depends on your preferences. And types of search engines. Mainstream engines. These engines are free for use, but they come with ads in the web page. Private search engines. Still ad supported, but with more private navigation with a collection of data. Vertical search engines. Engines focus on specific topics to search. Like for example, if you have a report on the medical field, it's just better to use a vertical search engine to find medical related topics. And computational search engines based on answering math and science related topics. And I just had some different facts and about Google and Brave. Google usually focuses on the user experience, safety, and security of user data. Google has a 90% of the search engine market share value, and Google also answering questions from the bar search without clicking a website. That's a pretty nice tool they have. Always tracking users. That's some people see it as a bad feature of it, and penalizing sites badly. Usually people who make money from blogs and things can get their site penalized by any reason, and sometimes they're not good. And for Brave, it does not track your queries or preferences, so there is less data collection from them, and it's open source code. And they have the option to search from Google if you don't like their or you cannot find what you are looking for. And premium subscription to get rid of that. That's a nice feature. You can pay for it. It's about 3 per month or 7 per month. And customizing search settings like themes, new links, and new tabs, and more. And now we have Firefox. And they have security against phishing and viruses, more strict security so you don't get a scam or something. But I mean, one of the cons consumes a lot of memory from the computer. That's something we usually don't like. And struggles reading HTML5. And sessions can be restored if the computer dies. That's a good feature it has. And for Ecosia, friendly interface and simple so to any issue. And images search are limited. It's more hard to find the image you want on Ecosia. And transparent with finances. So their web page usually shows how much money they make, where it goes, and things like that. And they do not sell your information, and you can turn off tracking if you like, so they don't get more information of you and just sell it or use it for anything else, or you get too many spam on your emails. And one interesting fact about Kosia, it helps the environment by supporting organizations that support the environment, planting trees, or other type of things that has to do with the environment. And here we have some links to the resources I got the information from, over there from Google, from Brave, and for Firefox and Ecosia. And that's it.